Alrighty, YouTubers, attention cat lovers, this unboxing is for you guys. Since it's a holiday season, make sure you get your animals a gift or your cat a gift. This would be a good one for you and your household. Right here, coming from Uahpet. I think that's how you pronounce it. Stainless steel, self-cleaning, smart litter box. Got my backup phone just in case. This thing is a beast. Hopefully you guys had a good day, everybody is safe, and staying warm. Santa Claus is coming very fast, guys. So you still got time to shop on Amazon. All you gotta do is click that link in the description. And you guys could get one of these for your furry little cat. Or the no-hair cats. So here we go. Alright guys, we got it all set up now. These are a few things what it came with. You got the liner bag, garbage bag. You got right here deodorizer and another deodorizer. The manual, like I said, is a smart. So you're going to need your phone, your Wi-Fi password. And here's the inside. There's a maxi line to fill it. Right down here is the controls to control it manually. But right now it's flashing because I got to install the app. Really simple to install. And right here is a mat. So I'm going to put this in the cat room. And that's when they get out, they can wipe their paws. So, really cool setup. Pretty heavy, so you might want to help. In case it's for older folks, you might want to help them set it up. Especially with this new technology, you know. So, alright, I'm going to install the app right now. And this is what the app looks like. 100 plus download. They are a new company, so check them out. Safe app to install. Everything's good. We'll be right back. And once you install it, there's the icon. And of course, you want to register. Don't worry about that spot. That's water damage from this backup phone. So I'm going to enter my email. And here we go with the app. All you got to do is add the device. Pick one of these bad boys, which will be number 2, the middle. It's going to tell you how to do it. So press and hold these two. Okay. There we go. Allow. Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is on. Try again. Okay, hold on. There we go. Now enter your your Wi-Fi password. Make sure you know that one. And now it's connecting. Hopefully. There we go. There's a beep. And that's connected. Wi-Fi. Success. Now you can call your device. We'll just call it Smart Litter Box. Hit start. Whoa. So we got the features right here. Clean, empty, flattened. And it'll fill up to 7-day data. And you hit clean. Make sure your cat's not in it. See? Oh, I have a ghost. Maybe it was my phone being too close. Hold up. Then you can add your pet's name, your breed, spay or neutered, the birth date. And now it's going to be slowly cleaning it. We'll show you use for the cat in a second at the end. So we got that going. There we go. See, it's flashing cleaning mode right there. So this is pretty cool. Sometimes I wish I was an animal. It might take a few minutes because it's brand new, just warming up. Clean. You can do flatten, empty. It'll tell you how many times a day. I think I got it good. And then back here, I'll show you right here. that's where the doo-doo goes. Okay, so you just want to pull it out, empty it, you're good to go. Make sure you spray this liquid stuff, the deodorizer first, before you replace the bags. But I mean, yeah, pretty much show everything. Oh, there it goes. Like I said, really nice smart cat litter box. There we go. See, it takes a minute. Alright, cat action coming up in 30 seconds. I'll just do a spin-a-rooney one time and then we'll go to the cat business. See, slowly it's getting there. But definitely check them out. Link in the description. Thumbs up. And a good subscribe button. And make sure your little kids don't go in there, climb in there. Safety. So really nice. So the only thing, maybe add some lights in it. Some LEDs or RGBs. That would be kind of cool. But it'll notify you through your smart app that it's done cleaning, and then you could let the cat do its business again. So, oh, there it goes. There's a bottom crate. That's probably where it drops down to. Not sure how this works, but it's pretty cool. Pretty interesting technology, guys. Alright, cat time. Meow. Alright, YouTubers, we're down in the basement. There's my cat. He is happy with this. This is super quiet. Easy to clean. Look at that. Boom. Check him out. Link down below. Have a good night. Be safe. And here we go, guys. This is 14 days worry-free without changing it. It'll be clean. As you can see right now, it's going to start. He did his little business there. And then it's going to shimmy it around and around for a few seconds. And then watch this. Boom. And now it's going to go scoop into poop into the chute. It's going to shimmy it. There you go. Nice and fresh. Make sure you add the deodorizer and all that good stuff that came with the bottle. And look at this. Kind of looks like chicken nuggets. Not sure what I gave him, but look at that. Bam. So definitely check them out. Link down below. Be safe. Have a good night.